recklessness, silly mistakes, we took a stop loss on gold. So what's up, Chia? What's up, Chia? It's another day. It's day 6 of trying to get funded on a 10K account. And yes, Tuesday, it being Tuesday, today was a bad one. We took a stop loss on gold, right? Took a stop loss on gold. Yes, guys, and I'll be sharing my screen in a minute with you guys. And guys, you know, there were some few things I realized there, some mistakes I made, right? That I take full responsibility of, that I could have avoided if I had, paid attention to it, earlier, right? So yes, guys, I'll be sharing my screen with you guys so you guys, see what I was talking about, and let's see, my anticipation for the coming days, right? It's Tuesday, we have work Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, right? I'm not saying we're going to be trading, but yeah, guys, let's be sharing my thoughts for the week, right? Let's get into the charts. The screen, guys. This is gold. Let me take you guys to the 1 hour. The reason why I entered the trade, which was still kind of like reckless of me, I should have paid attention to more details, right? So yes, guys, you can see we had what this rectangle, this zone here. We had our first touch, second touch, which kind of like we're waiting for what the third touch, which was this, right? Which makes it what an area of interest. This third touch, right? This third touch, and guys, immediately what price came back into what the zone, what it reaches back, it pulled back into the zone. What I went for what the sell. Let me take you guys on the 15 minutes where I entered itself. Uh, I had entered here, guys. I entered, seeing this kind of like bullish. Sorry, guys, this bearish engulfing, but I entered on the sell, and just see what price did. Price did it, and guys, there was a catch. There was a catch. Two catches here. First, there was an upcoming news, which was what today we had CPI. We had CPI. We have the inflation rate, right? And other new home sales and other news, right? USD high impact, right? And I placed the trade, and the trade slowed down into what New York session, and prior to New York session, which was 12:30, we got this what candle, this blue candle, and 1 o'clock we had this candle that followed, and 1:30 we had this candlestick taking out the red box, which made us what hit our stop loss. And guys, another thing is that what price was consolidating, right? Price was consolidating because there was no clear structure here. There's no clear structure here because first, guys, I want you to observe closely. We have what our higher low, and we have what our higher high here, right? Our higher high. So guys, I should have gotten what a change of character, which is a complete break of what of this previous higher low, right? Which we didn't get because price just closed, within like the end of the week. It just closed the range and what reversed back into the zone, right? Which made me what go for the sell. I should have waited for a clean, break out of what this previous higher low, and when I'll confirm that what we have the change of character, then I would have been able to what to sell what to the downside. Then I've got a pullback. If I got in a pullback to this zone, right, I'll sell what to the downside, right? So yes, guys, that was the mistake I made. With today's entry, I should have what paid more attention and be more cautious because of what the news coming. And guys, if not even me not realizing the news, if I had paid attention to market structure, I would have what not placed this trade, and the news would have what not kind of like be my concern, because if I don't take the trade, however the news goes, it doesn't reflect, it doesn't affect my account because I didn't place any trade. But because I placed the trade, I didn't pay attention to market structure. Well, the news will ate into my account, right? So yes, guys, we are down, you know, 9,500 and about 10,952. So yes, guys, this is what happened with gold today. There you had it, chat. There you had it, chat. You saw what happened today. A few kind of like recklessness, silly mistakes, right? But it's all good because if you are getting this, lessons, day every day, you are able to learn something, guys. At the end of the day, when all this comes to an end, and with this all experience, this knowledge I have been gathered, and you probably have been able to gather, guys. What can stop us? What can stop me and you from becoming profitable after we've become aware of all these mistakes, right? So yes, guys, I hope you've been able to learn a lot from this video. You were able to catch one or two stuff, right? If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button so you can help grow this channel. If you found this content helpful in any way, please hit the thumbs up button. And yes, if you have anything you want to share, put in the comment section. I'm all yours. Anything you want to ask, anything you want to say, the comment section is all yours, guys. I love you guys. It's been lost since day one. Peace out.